Hi, good day for everyone. My name is Azmi Makrazuki. I am student OUMH 1303, Open University Malaysia in Pontian branch. Today I am going to talk about a country that is famous for breathtaking landscape, rich culture and high quality of life. I mean Switzerland. My purpose today is to report in why Switzerland is the ultimate traveler destination. Whether you adventure seeker, history lover, or someone who just want enjoy relaxing vacation, Switzerland has something for everyone. Let's explore that his country is so special. Alright, let's talk about breathtaking natural landscape. First and famous Switzerland is known for stunning natural beauty. The country is a home of a Swiss Alps, which attracts millions of visitors each year of skiing, snowboarding and hiking. One of the famous peaks is Matterhorn, a mountain that looks like a came straight of a fairy tale. If you prefer a more relaxing experience, you can take the Sans Glace Express train, which offer a panoramic view of the snowscape, mountain, lush green valley, and charming Swiss village. In the summer place like Lake Geneva and Lake Lucerne provide perfect seating for boat ride and lakeside picnic. And this is the how beautiful of Switzerland. Second part is what is beautiful. Switzerland is rich culture and historical heritage. Switzerland is not just about a natural beauty. It also has a deep culture and historical heritage. The country made up of four linguistic religion: German, French, Italian and Romance, which means that every region has its own unique tradition and custom. If you visit Geneva, you will see many international organizations, including United Nations. Meanwhile, Zurich is known for as a vibrant art scene, historical site like Grossmünster Crunch. And let's not forget Bonn, the capital city, which has a beautiful medieval old town that's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Let's talk about this building. It's a provide from UNESCO. Okay, another part about world-class cuisine and Swiss chocolate. Let's talk about food, because what strip which are indulging in local delicious. Switzerland is famous for its cheese. And if you visit, you must try Swiss fun, a dish where you dip bread into a pot of millet cheese. Another Swiss special is regulate, which involved melting cheese and scraping into the potatoes and pickles. But a highlight for many travelers is Swiss chocolate. Brand like Toblerone, Link and Renault, and you can even visit chocolate factories. You can get to see and you taste how that sweets treat are made. And this is a picture of the chocolate factory in Switzerland. Alright, efficient public transport and safety. One of the biggest advantage of visiting Switzerland is a highly efficient public transport system. The train not only punctual but it also offers some of the most scenic journey in the world. You can travel easy from one city to another while enjoying breathtaking view. Plus, Switzerland is one of the safety countries in the world, which low crime rates and a high standard of living, making a stress-free destination for traveler, including solo tourists. And this is a picture one of the famous train in Switzerland. Okay, for my conclusion, Switzerland is the ultimate traveler destination because of its breathtaking landscape, rich culture, diversity, world-class cuisine, and efficient public transport. Whether you are looking for adventure history or just a relaxing holiday, Switzerland has something for everyone. If you ever get a chance, I highly recommend adding Switzerland to the travel bucket list. Thanks for listening my speech, and I hope you enjoy learning about beautiful countries. Have a nice day. Bye.